Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to use Lumen5 AI video generation. Start by opening Lumen5 AI on your computer or device. Once you are in Lumen5, you can make videos regularly for a brand, work on a specific project, or just create a single video. Here you will see different templates to choose from. These templates come with recommended colors, fonts, and styles to make your video look great. You're free to pick any template that catches your eye. Just click on Use this template when you find one that you like. Next, you will decide how to begin. For example, you might select Text and Media to add text to your video. Now it is time to decide what your video will be about. Type in a brief description of the topic or purpose of your video. You can also outline the main points or ideas you want to include in your video script. Move on to the Paste Text section. Here, you can either type or paste the text you want to turn into a video script. For instance, if you are making a video about Lumen5, you might write something like, write a short article about Lumen. Once you have entered your text, Lumen5 will generate a script for your video based on what you have written. Copy the generated script and paste it into Lumen5. Click on Compose Script to proceed. Now, you can choose how long you want your video to be by adjusting the duration. Then click on Continue to move forward. Click on Convert Video to start creating your video based on the script you provided. Once the video is created, you will see a preview of it. You can click on it to watch and make any necessary adjustments. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.